If there is something to take into your responsibility, to take in your hands, first of all, it is your body should listen to you. You tell your body to stay, the body stays. You tell your body go lower, body go lower.
An unsettled mind is either worrying about the future or traveling into the past. Getting lost in thought, you start to wonder, can I do this? Is this the right path? What will the others say? What if? Adding that as a result, the mind cannot synchronize with your own actions anymore, and you become disconnected from the goals and aspirations you set for yourself.
Some people are not willing to maybe adapt to the change. Some people are not strong enough to adapt to the change. Some people don't know how to put it into practice in order to go with the change. And now comes the time what is about you. Not about what other people expect from you. Now you have it. Now it's up to you to cultivate it. Yes? And that one gives insight, because now the mind is free to discover many, many things that go on inside of there. This principle of you think a lot about what needs to be done, then it is being replaced and the mind is free. This now we apply to the life itself.
There is only one area of control that is in your hands, and that is what you are carrying inside of you. This is something about you that nobody in this world can access. Self-mastery is about exploring, observing, and learning about exactly this. And once you have that understanding, you can make better decisions and respond to life and to others with more clarity and understanding. You can find stillness in an unstable world. I asked him to give some advice that everyone, even non-monks, can think about to take a first step on that journey. His wisdom reminds us that the path to self-mastery is not about external achievements, but internal alignment. By focusing inward, practicing discipline, and seeking balance, we can navigate life's challenges with greater clarity and resilience. Let's begin with a Qigong routine designed to heal your mind and soul. It balances your energy, grounds your emotions, clears your mind, and revitalizes your physical body.
The legs around 1.5 to 2 shoulders wide. We're inhaling, and at the same time the upper body straighten, then up. Inhale and up. Inhale and up. And go on. 1. And up. 2. Back, keep it straight and out.
This is a meditative breathing technique where you focus on deep, controlled breaths into your lower belly.
And out. 4. Palm, push, finger straight, straighten, push the palm out, and exhale. And 7. Up. 8. Out. 9. And out. And 10. And out. And 8 more times. Relax. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. And 8. Yeah, meanwhile, when you realize that you're getting too much tension into the body, it helps very, very much. It looks funny, actually it is even funny, but just jump, yeah, jump and let the arms loose. Yeah.
This posture builds internal strength and stamina. Though static, it creates energetic pressure that strengthens the lower dantian and calms the mind.
Okay, and once again, arm movement, rotation of the arms to help you jump. And let's go again 36 times. Yeah, from here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, good. Then we return back to feel the elasticity of our body. Now from here, yeah, the back leg, if I turn to the left side, the right heel moves up. If I turn to the right side, then the left heel you can start with the feet not so wide, so it's more easy, but watch carefully again. So 1 and 2, 3, 4.
It holds the power you've generated so it can nourish your system throughout the day.
7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Yeah, continue. Yeah, continue this movement. You can watch my disciple doing it. The important part, once again, with this weekend practice, let's pay some more attention this time on how is your complete body connected to each other. In order to get a better perception for what this connection means, you must learn to relax. Relax in the sense of remove all types of unnecessary tension. Unnecessary tension, because if you're making this movement, to some extent, some tension is needed in order to perform this movement. But it is about removing unnecessary tension. So keep the structure, keep the muscles that are necessary, keep them alive. Yeah, but figure out, feel inside your body. Yeah, how to create that perfect balance between having a solid structure on the one side, but at the same time a very, very flexible one. So now this is the basic movement, so the rotation around your spine. Now we're increasing the length of the arms and therefore increasing the stretch as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now some leg hip exercises. From here, the right knee lifts up and the left hand we just push to the front. Then we step down 45 degrees. Left knee up, right palm push and down. Then right knee up, left push. Yeah? Start very easy, simple like this. 1, up, down, 2.
It awakens the spine, shoulders, and lungs, improving blood and qi flow. It also balances yin and yang forces in the body.
Down, 4. Down, 5. Down, 6. Down, 7. Down, 8. Down, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Continue doing this exercise for a few minutes. When you're ready, bring your feet together, place your hands over your lower abdomen, and take a few more deep breaths to center your energy. Then, take that feeling of aliveness and groundedness with you into the rest of your day.